Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the DB parameter groups and how we can assign that DB parameter group to your DB instance. After created your DB instance, you need to change from default parameter group to custom parameter group. To associate a DB parameter group with the DB instance, in the navigation pane, choose databases and then choose the DB instance that you want to modify and choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, scroll down this page. In the additional configuration section, you need to select your DB parameter group, which is created recently, and scroll down, choose continue. In the summary of modification, you need to validate current value and new value. Scheduling of modification, you need to choose apply immediately, then choose modify DB instance. It will take some time to modify your DB instance. Now it is available state. You need to choose your database. In the database page, you need to click configuration tab and scroll down this page. DB parameter group has been changed. We need to reboot our DB instance for reflecting this parameter group. We need to choose action, then click reboot and choose confirm. It will take a few seconds to rebooting your instance. Now DB instance is available state. You need to open your database. In the configuration tab, scroll down and you need to confirm your DB parameter group. Now DB parameter group is in sync. So the DB parameter group properly associated with your DB instance. Next session we will see how we can change the parameters in the parameter group. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer your friends.